Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn Now from your learning partner. In today's video, we're going to guide the steps to download ChatGPT on your iPhone. If you're eager to access AI-powered text generation on the go, you're in the right place. Step 1. Open the App Store. The first step is to unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. Step 2. Search for ChatGPT. In the search bar at the bottom, type ChatGPT and hit Search. Step 3. Select ChatGPT app. From the search results, select the ChatGPT app. Step 4. Download and install. Now, click the Get button to download and install the ChatGPT app on your iPhone. Step 5. Open the ChatGPT app. Once the installation is complete, open the ChatGPT app from your iPhone's home screen. Step 6. Sign in or create an account. You'll need to sign in or create an account to get started. Follow the prompts in the app to do so. Step 7. Begin chatting with ChatGPT. Now, you can start a conversation with ChatGPT right within the app. It's that easy.